And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up.
Hey everyone, it's Kiwi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make the best crispy oven baked fries. Starting off, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, then get your desired amount of potatoes, wash them, then go ahead and start cutting your potatoes into fry slices, then put them in your bowl. Next, you need to cover your fries with cold water, then let them sit for 30 to 35 minutes. This will remove some of the starch and make them crispier. After they finish soaking, make sure you drain and dry them, then add 2.5 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon at a time, and then toss them around. Next, season your potatoes with whatever your taste buds desire, but make sure you season then toss, season then toss. This will make sure your seasoning won't stick on there and become caked up and nasty. Next, grab your baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. I'm using a silicone baking mat. It works just as good, but line your fries up. They can be close, but not too close. Then let them cook for 40 to 45 minutes depending on your oven, and here you have crispy oven baked fries. I'm telling y'all, these are just as good as regular fries, just a healthier version, so I definitely recommend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.